This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 117. Authentic action. When behavior is no longer driven by pressure. During survival, action is often driven by urgency. React quickly, solve immediately, prevent problems. The system prioritizes efficiency. But when stability increases, the source of action changes. Behavior is no longer driven by pressure. It becomes guided by internal signals. Capacity, interest, clarity. This can feel unfamiliar at first. Without urgency, action may feel slower, less forced, but also more precise. The nervous system is no longer reacting. It is choosing. Authentic action does not require pressure. It requires alignment. Next episode. How social confidence develops after survival. And please subscribe and like. Also comment. This helps the channel grow. Thank you.